Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my hair routine and basically just all the products I use and how I'm going to try to style my hair today. Let's hope this isn't a hot mess, but my hair has its own situation going on right now. I don't want to discuss it, but you'll just see when you see what's under this, okay? Today I'm going to be using my spray bottle. It's like a Mr. spray bottle. I don't know if you can you see it? You can't see that. Then I'm going to be using this new like curl stretcher I bought. I like to try like new products randomly all the time, so this is just like one of my random pickups. Next I'm going to be putting this curl definer inside my hair. This is not a random, well, this was once upon a time a random pickup, but now it's like my go-to. I love using this in my hair. I know not everybody likes like thick curl defining cream, but I do. I like mine nice and thick, and I just feel like my hair is so much moisturized. It looks so shiny and nice when I use this in my hair. Then I'm gonna also be having a clip. Get a clip if you can. It helps with sectioning for me. Also got a pen so I can try to do this look I'm trying to do today. We'll see how that goes. And then I'm also gonna put some of this stimulating hair oil inside my hair, because after you see the situation going on, you'll understand. And then of course some rubber bands for my hairstyle. And then I also have this Eco black castor oil, and then a brush. So this is what's going on with my hair right now. I'm actually like really sad I decided to do this with my hair. I don't know what made me want to do this to my hair. Okay, I know what made me want to do this to my hair, but I don't know why I went through with it. I shouldn't have went through with it. I was trying to go for a look that I don't know how to do because I'm not a hairstylist, but let's get past that. So first, I like to take like half section. Okay, so I'm gonna take that back section I have right now and divide it in half. And instead of using my rubber band, that's when I'm gonna use my clip. Just hold it there. So here's my little two back half sections. First I'm gonna take some of this defining cream, put a little, since it's thick I don't need too much, and I like to finger comb but also just like pull it completely through. Then I'm gonna take some of this curl stretcher and I'm gonna just get it evenly on my hands. So I like to use the curl stretcher because shrinkage, and look, you can already see how much my hair is shrinking up, but I like to try to keep as much of my length as I can. And I also don't like to have my hair get like too big, because I feel like with my hair it can be a big like pom-pom if I wanted it to be, but that's not how I like to wear my hair. I like it on the, I don't care for my curls to be as tight as they are. I still like my curl pattern, but I don't want them to dry up as tight as they do sometimes. I like it how they look when I use like things like that to help save some of my length. There's that side. I'm gonna take this section, and then by now like some hair pieces start to dry up on me, so I'll just spritz it a little bit. Inside this spray bottle I have conditioner, I have some oil, I'm pretty sure it's coconut oil and black castor oil I have inside there. And I like just shake it, try to mix it as much as I can and just let it sit, and I feel like my hair likes it. I don't know. You're basically just gonna keep repeating this process. My hair is so thick I have to do a lot of sections for all of my hair to actually get coated with anything, so that's why I'm doing it like this. Depending on your thickness, you may not have to do as many sections as I do, but this is the best I can get it in there to get the style I like. So this is how the back looks right now. I just got done taking out my braids, and I had put this hair clay mask inside my hair, and my hair feels rejuvenated. Let's hope it lasts. Oh my god, look at this. And then look at, I did such like a botched job at trying to do bangs at that. Like, actually it doesn't look that bad like this. I should have did such a smaller section, like maybe this little bit right here, and then left the rest a frame, but like they're not even, it's not even the same length. There's this random like long piece. By the way, cut my hair with kindergartner scissors. Alright, let's get done with this next part because I'm sad either way. Since I'm about to try to do this style, I'm just go ahead and get my hair set up since I'm to the part that I need to do it on. I cannot get this line. There you go. Alright, for now, we're just gonna do this section. So, the ends start going, so I'm just spritz them through. Okay, let's get back to this hair. Ah! You just Alright, so now one last sections. Alright, so I have basically just this section. I'm gonna pray this hairstyle works, or I like how it looks, because that's usually the problem. I usually don't like how it looks. Alright, looks. Hey, the looks. Let me go ahead. Hey. Now we're gonna take this little section, we'll wet it again because it's dried up. Now I'm going to take a little palm-sized amount. Just go over my hair. And kind of run it on my scalp since I washed my hair today, so my scalp isn't dry. Then rub it in. Alright, so this is what this side looks like. I'm going to add some hair jewelry in and do this other half off of camera, so I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright y'all, so this is the end result. This is how my hair turned out. And if you guys want to see any more videos on how I do my hair and what I do to my hair, go ahead and subscribe and leave comments down below.